So now that I've done both dropshipping and Forex, as you guys know or may not know, I'm a professional dropshipper primarily on Amazon and Shopify. Now that I've had a little bit of time with Forex, here are my thoughts about the differences and similarities, really no similarities, but a lot of differences with that, okay? So with Forex, it is very capital intensive. If you're going to make a lot of money, you need a lot of capital, or you have to have a lot of skill and be able to ride trends. It's very difficult for someone who doesn't have money to get in and just blow up, okay? The only reason I was successful with it was because I had the money to throw into a live account, potentially lose all of it, and then just keep working from there, okay? For the average person who needs that money to pay bills, it's not gonna work. All right, you're gonna have to start very small, and it's gonna take a long time for you to scale that and grow. Period. End of discussion. All right, that's just the way it is. Sorry to say, but the majority of people just ain't got it like that. It's not near as set it and forget it as a lot of people on YouTube are making it out to be. Now, granted, you can make a lot of money really quickly because that is exactly what happened to me. You know, I made $5,000. You guys check the results. It was $5,000 just like that. And then another day, $7,000 just like that. You know, just from watching what I know. Thanks to Q, when we're going to talk about that as well. You know, Q said, find something that I enjoy trading. I found that I like to trade NAS100 and it works out really well for me. But that is, the swings are a little risky, and it just will plummet at the drop of a hat. And you can lose hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, as you guys have seen through my own personal loss. You got to be careful, okay? And it is intense. These swings are crazy, and money is just blowing up, just going everywhere. And it's not necessarily your fault, but it is your fault. Whereas with drop shipping, you're not going to make that much money that quickly, but you're also not going to lose that much money either, if lose any money at all. The only way that you would lose money during drop shipping is if you have some crazy amount of returns or cancellations, or you're not watching your profit margins. You know, you're undercutting the entire market and just selling just to sell because you don't want to make any money. It's very methodical, the same way that Forex is, but in a different direction, okay? I can take an account and scale that up to 100K as long as I got capital, right? As long as I have a credit card or, you know, cash in a bank or whatever. I can do that with anyone, you know, but most people can do that. Most people can make money drop shipping. They just need the right steps. Not everybody's going to make money with Forex. The overwhelming majority of people are going to lose money, which is why you have all of these MLM companies out there just recruiting people because no one knows how to trade. You know, dropshipping requires time and requires a lot of patience, okay? You're not going to be up and running within 2 days or 3 days or whatever. Typically, it's going to be weeks, months, maybe even longer until you kind of develop the skill set necessary to get involved. With Forex, I literally sat down on Friday, and within 2 hours, I had my account up and running, funded the whole nine, and I just went to town. And that's probably not the way to do it. You should probably buy Q's course, okay? But that's what I did, and that's just because I had the money to do so. With drop shipping, you can start with like $500 and you can triple that money, you know, pretty easily, all right, without any headaches or it slides or trends going crazy or any of that. So, you know, it's very, very different, you know, between the two. And coming from someone who does drop shipping professionally, it's much easier for a beginner to get involved with drop shipping than it would be for Forex and expect to do well. All right. If you want me to discuss this in greater detail, I'll discuss it with Q actually, but you have to get me on the live with Q. Q's really busy, but if you guys want to hear it, tag Q. I'm going to be giving out a PlayStation or Xbox or Nintendo Switch of the winner's choice if me and him go live together. So I'll be picking a winner and giving out whatever game system of their choice. Okay. Now, that's if Q wants to do a live. He's real busy. I mean, he's out there with the pista and all that stuff, you know, going to town because of that big trade that he had. But if you guys want to know more about e-commerce and how it compares to Forex and, you know, why you would want to do one or the other and in what scenario you would choose to do one or the other in, then hit him up and let him know. Tag him and say, yo, let's do a live. And then if I get on live with him, I'll give somebody in there the game system of their choice. All right. So let's get to it.